Hi children, welcome back to maths class. Dear students, today let us start the new chapter 7, time. To convert 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time. See children, how to convert the 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock time. Okay. For that they given one example. Let us see the example. Sarojini came to the railway station with her brother. In the railway timetable, the departure time was mentioned as 22:05. She came to the railway station and she saw the departure time of the railway. The time was 22:05. She sat in the train. When the train started moving, Sarojini observed the time in her brother's watch. It was showing 10:05. See children, in the railway station, the given departure time is 22:05, but in her brother's watch it's showing 10:05. Then he got an idea how to convert this 22:05 to 10:05. In the clock there only the 1 to 12 hour clock is there. Then how to calculate this 22:05 hour? Such questions arise in her mind. Then what she will do is see. One day has 24 hours, all of you know? Yes. See, let us see here. Listen carefully. This is midnight, afternoon, ante-meridian and past meridian. Okay. This is midnight. What it is? 12 o'clock. Okay. 12 o'clock it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to afternoon. Midnight 12 to afternoon 12 is AM. What is this? AM. AM means what children? Ante-meridian. Okay, afternoon 12 to midnight 12 is post meridian, PM, post meridian. Okay, in clocks this is called as a 24 hours clock. Okay, which clock it is? 24 hours clock. See here, both also they given you, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. Here it is start from 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, up to 23, 24. This clock they are using in the railway department. Okay. See here, this one, what we are using in the home, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay. Like this. This is also you see. After 12 it is started from 1. Here what is the time? Here 13 is there. Here 1 is there. Next it is 1, 2, 3. This is 12 hour clock and this is outside is 24 hour clock. Okay. See here, in this 24 hour clocks, 24 hours has been equally divided into 0 to 12 hour and 0 to 24. See, 0 to 12 hour is there, then 12 to 24 hour. Okay, understood or not? Yes, this is a 24 hour clock. Then how to this one? This question is 22:05 and 10:05 is there. Then you should do minus of 12. Afterwards I will show you how to do minus of 12 hour clock. In the railway timetable, departure time of the train is denoted as 22:05 hour. What will be the departure time of his train in a 12 hour clock? The same question. This is in the form of, now in the questioning form. Departure is 22:05. Departure time of the train right here 22:05. And this will be the 12 hour clock. Yes, from there you should convert to 12 hour clock means minus to 12 hour. 22:05 minus of 12 means you see how much it is. Yes, that is 10:05. That is PM, night. Yes, whatever you will do, minus 12 you did means that is in the PM. That is night 10 o'clock. See, one note is there. Please concentrate on the note. When the time is about 12 hours, see children, this time, the departure or whatever time is about 12 is there means 12 should be subtracted from its remaining time written as a PM. This is the very important point. Listen carefully dear students. This is very important in the clock, in the time lesson. If the time is about 12 hours, see here about 12 hours is there or not? 22:05 is there means this is about 12 or not? Yes, in that time you should be subtracted minus 12. Subtracted from 12 should be subtracted from this time. We can get the exact time that you should be right in the PM. Yes, you should be right in the PM. The next important point, when the time is below 12 hours, see children, below 12 hours is there means you should return as like that only and you should write a AM. Okay, you should write AM. Understood? Next one. Concentrate the second problem. The arrival time of aeroplane is 13:50. Yes, you see this time is about 12, no? Yes, then what we should do? You should do the minus 12 like this. Convert to 12 o'clock. Arrival time of aeroplane is 13:50 minus of 12. This is the formula and this is the one rules you say. 13 minus 50 is 12. Yes, the exact time is what? 1:50 p.m. That is in afternoon. Whatever answer will come, no, that you should be writing the p.m. p.m. means that is afternoon. Next one. Denote the following times in a.m. and p.m. See children. 2020. 2020 means you should be minus. Answer is 8:20. 2020 minus of 12 means 8:20. That is in p.m. 10:45. Yes, 10:45 means this is less than 12 hour. Yes, 10:45 that is a.m. Understood? Yes, like this. Next one. 24-hour clock and 12 clock. Here 0 hour 24 hour means here 0 hour 12 hour. Here 1 hour means here 1 a.m. 2 means 2 a.m. 11 means 11 a.m. 12 hour till 12 is in afternoon. Okay. Here it will become 13 hour means after 12 means what number will come in the 24-hour clock? That is 1, 2, 14 means 2, 23 means 11. Yes, this is the explanation about the 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Now exercise 7.1. Answers orally. First one. At what time do you get up in the morning? Tell me, at what time do you get up in the morning? All of you know. At what time? I get up in the morning at 8 a.m. What is that answer? 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. It is write yourself. Okay. I got up in the morning at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. like that. Okay. At what time do you get up in the morning? Yes, children, right here. I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. Okay, 6 a.m. At what time do you go to school? Yes, right here. I go to school at 9:30 a.m. Okay, morning means you should write a.m. At what time do you go out to play? Yes, I go out to play at 6 p.m. See children, evening means you should write p.m. From what time do you study during night? Fourth one. From what time to what time do you study during night? Okay. I study during night. I study during night from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Okay. At what time you will have your dinner? Right here. I have my dinner at 9. Dinner means that is 9 p.m. At what time do you go to bed at night? I go to bed at night, at 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. This is your choice. Yes, your children's know, right? 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Okay. Yes, dear children, now you completed 7.1 first main. Thank you.